should you use an average true range or moving averages as your trailing stop? I think that it doesn't really matter, but you just need to pick one. Well, whether it's going to be a one-time ATR, a two-time ATR, or if it's going to be some kind of a moving average, whether it's a 50-day moving average, a 10-week moving average, an exponential moving average, whatever it is, all these things are basically serving the same purpose, where it's acting like a time-bound stop, right? So let's say you're in this trade, and this trade is moving along and it's trending higher, and then all of a sudden that trend starts to bend. That is what the purpose of the ATR stop and what the moving average stop is going to help get you out of the trade. When you're starting to lose momentum, that's where you want to be kicked out of the trade. That's the point of it. So I would suggest just pick one.